Backhoe loaders. Class-leading power, innovation and reliability. Backhoe loaders from the company that invented them. Case introduced the first integrated backhoe loader in 1957, and since then we've built more than 500,000. Case backhoe loaders remain the class leader for torque and power, and that adds up to outstanding digging power and constant road speed. Greater torque keeps your work moving no matter what the conditions and reduces engine stress over the lifetime of your machinery. Case Innovation brings real-world solutions like our external sliding extender hoe that keeps the dirt out and allows the clamping of objects without damaging the sliding mechanism. Case Innovation is not just for today, it's for the life of the machine. Easy access to maintenance items from ground level makes for trouble-free servicing and takes the guesswork out of safety checks. A spacious cab with ergonomic adjustments ensures operator comfort and fingertip control. In-cab functions and data make for more efficient, more precise operation. Large glass area means no blind spots. Outside, Case backhoe loaders demonstrate the build quality that is the hallmark of the Case legacy. Heavy-duty axles are engineered to endure. Secure threaded hydraulic connectors. Relocatable rear tail lights. Overlapping cylinders on the boom reduce the transport height. Thoughtful design and quality build are just what you'd expect from the company that wrote the book on backhoe loaders. Robust, reliable since 1957. Case backhoe loaders. Talk to your Case dealer about the backhoe loader product range. If real-world performance matters to you, turn to Case, experts for the real world since 1842.